today's video, I want to make a chicken burger, mini chicken burger. So for our burger, I have these ingredients: chives, oregano, dry oregano, chicken, lemon, black pepper, salt, and garlic. For our sauce, I have this mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, black pepper, paprika, and salt. So first guys, we have to make our burger. So for our burger, we have to combine all together the chicken, the black pepper, oregano dry, some of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, half of lemon, and also this chives. So I cut the chives in a small. Then I put here inside and mix all together. Just only mix together and make it a burger. So let's make it a burger with shape. So I make like the I make a small because we are making our burger mini burger. So just like this. This is now my burger ready to grill or fry and serve it with buns, dressing, lettuce, onion, tomato, cheese, all the toppings you want to put in your burger. So this is now my finished product, very easy to make. So this one you can sell also this one. I make 8 pieces for the more I think 1/4 kilo, more than 1/4 kilo na to. Ground chicken ground meat. So guys, for our dressing in a burger, I need these all ingredients. I have this Dijon mustard, I have the black pepper, paprika powder, mayonnaise, and the salt. So guys, let's first we have to combine the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I put the little bit black pepper, little bit of paprika powder, pinch of salt, and the Dijon mustard. I put 1 teaspoon only. So just mix it all together. This is now for our dressing later when we will make a chicken sandwich, chicken burger sandwich dressing. So guys, we have to put also the lemon juice. I forgot to put the lemon juice. Just little bit. And mix all together. So guys, let's make our chicken burger. I put little bit oil only. Let's check. We will have to flip. Make it until brown. Just flip. Then this one is still not ready. We have to make it brown. Now guys, I think it's cooked. Already brown. So now guys, we have to make now our sandwich. So I have here lettuce, already cut. This is jalapeno that I made before. I have already this on my video. And this one, onion, tomato, cheese, and also this, our chicken burger, and the burger bread. So I already make hot this in the oven. So let's start to stuff inside the bread. So now I put here dressing, or dressing that I made. The mayonnaise and the Dijon mustard. So I put first the sauce side by side. Then, of course, the cheese. I put here the cheese on top. And then, lettuce. And down. Onion. Our jalapeno. And this is without tomato. And the chicken. And put it cover. So, must be like this. And wrap in your sandwich wrapper. So we have to make one more. And we have to make again. So we have to put the dressing up and down, and then our jalapeno, lettuce, cheese, and the burger, then onion. This is without tomato. So I think it's better like this. So this is now my burger. So na guys, this is my finished product. My homemade burger, chicken burger. The mini chicken burger.